firing.
Huh?
You don't have any bullets, it's not firing. So surrender. Surrender. Yeah, you don't have any bullets, you won't fire. Are you out? D'Angelo? Are you out? Yeah, I'm right here with D'Angelo. He's on the corner, get him.
Good. Is it medic? Huh? It's medic, right?
Juice? Yeah. Huh? Are you out? Put on what? Yeah.
Medic!
What's up, dude? We have one of our guys now. Get out of him. One of our guys now. Yep. Where you going, guys?
I'm out. I'm gonna go home. You shot me in the arm.
Huh?
You shot me in the arm.
I'm sorry. Get down, motherfucker.
Who?
You.
Why?
Because if they start shooting.
Right there.
I thought you guys don't remember us. Where are you guys?
Huh?
You guys don't remember us. So
On
bad.
your team, dude.
You're on theirs.
On yours.
Oh.
We switched. You didn't,
Hey, there's a guy back there in the palm trees. He's back there behind all the dunes.
Nah, just kidding. This is bloopers, dude.
Yeah.
That's why I would kill Wilbur. I don't even know what I said. God dang it, stupid mag. See, that's why I hate high caps, dude. High caps suck dick. Medic! Ah! Medic! Medic! You need medic? Medic 1. You're on my team. You're on my team?
No.
No?
No.
So you're medic 1 and we're medic 2?
I guess so.
Medic 2! Band!
Go through, down.
Medic 2! Medic! Our medic's out! James! Hehehe